Hi everyone, in today's video we answer the question that many a purchasing agent or warehouse manager has surely pondered. Should I buy a 4x4 or a 5x5 floor scale? We'll discuss this next. Have you ever gone looking for a simple floor scale to weigh pallets, only to be confused by whether you need a 5x5 or a 4x4 model? You're not alone. There are many before you that have had this same question. This video is meant to provide a brief comparison while giving you confidence to make the correct decision when shopping for a standard floor scale. While the 4x4 floor scale is actually the most common scale purchased, the 5x5 has a slight advantage of being able to accommodate the full length of a pallet jacket without fear of rolling off the back of the scale. As we say with truck scales, trucks aren't getting any shorter, and pallets, by the same token, aren't getting any smaller. So if you have the room in your warehouse, then you should strongly consider the 5x5. With the exception of the additional surface area and the additional cost of the 5x5 floor scale, these two scales are identical from most manufacturers. One exception would be since 4x4 models are often mass-produced, manufacturers may try to use a thinner deck plate that is more widely available. This naturally makes the mass-produced scale less durable and exposed to more deflection of the weighbridge, and that could possibly lead to more inconsistent weights and possibly even a shorter lifespan. Although they are less common, another consideration that might make sense for you would be a 5x4 scale. And don't forget, if you're looking to roll a pallet jack onto the scale, then you will need to have enough space for a ramp. For pallet jack use, most scale manufacturers recommend a 4-foot long ramp, so you will want to make sure you have the floor space for a 5x5 scale and a 5x4 ramp as well. I hope this video helped you out. Be sure to hit that like button below, and while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you'll never miss another one of my videos. See you next time.